Imagine turning a single sentence or a single image into a fully detailed production ready 3D model in seconds. No complicated software, no years of training, no endless trial and error. That's what exactly Meshy AI delivers. Meshy AI is redefining how creators design in 3D. It's the world's most intuitive AI powered 3D modeling platform, transforming text and images into stunning 3D assets instantly. Whether it's for film, gaming, production, design, AR, VR, or education, Meshy removes the barriers to creativity. At its core, Meshy is about speed, preciousness, and accessibility. It works in three powerful ways: text to 3D, image to 3D, and AI texturing. You simply describe what you want or upload a reference image, and Meshy generate a ready-to-use model. Complex geometry, realistic text structures, and animations are produced in minutes, not days. This is not just automation, it's a revolution in how creative workflows are built. Meshy is trusted by thousands of creators, studios, and educators worldwide for one simple reason: it works. Meshy's versatility makes it suitable for every industry. In film production, it cuts cost and accelerates VFX and pre-visualization workflows, delivering industry-standard assets in a fraction of time. For product designers, it transforms concept into prototype instantly, making the design process faster, smarter, and most cost-effective. In education, Macy's gives students and teachers access to professional 3D modeling tools without expensive software or steep learning curves. For game developers, Meshy smashed asset creation cost and time, providing rigged and animated character, props, and environment ready for engines like Unity, Unreal, and Blender. For 3D printing, Meshy delivers printer-ready models optimized for detailed and accuracy. VR and AR creators gain low-poly performance optimized assets ready for real-time application. Even interior designer can transform sketches or mood board into photorealistic interior assets without CAD expertise. Now let's see what makes Macy's stand out is how it works. A futuristic spaceship with glowing engines and receive detailed models within seconds. The image to 3D model tool turns photos or concept art into realistic 3D model effortlessly. And AI structuring tool gives creators full control over materials, colors, and style, making it easy to match a vision. Meshes also offer multi-view generation. This means you can upload an image from different angles, and Meshy combines them to produce a high fidelity model matching your concept. With smart remesh, you can adjust geometry, balance details, and performance, and export models optimized for any application. This is creativity without limits. Meshes offer rigging and animation tools, a library of over 500 motions, and supports for PBR textures, diffuse, roughness, metallic, and normal maps. Export ready for Unreal, Unity, and Blender, Maya, and WebGL. You can create anything from realistic environments to stylish characters, props, and even functional models like phone holders. Meshy also understands scales. Bulk generations allows creators to produce hundreds of assets at once, saving enormous amount of time and cost. Multilingual supports means prompt can return in English, Spanish, French, Chinese, Japanese, or more languages. And with private licensing, creators maintain full ownership of their work. For professionals and teams, Meshy offers enterprise-grade tools, multiple workspaces, shared asset libraries, centralized billing, API integration, and plugins for Blender, Unity, Unreal, Godot, Maya, and 3D Max make it easy to scale. production without losing control. With SOC2 Type 2 and iOS 27001 certification, Meshy also ensure top-level data security. Pricing is designed to make high-quality 3D creation accessible. You can start for free with 100 credit plus per month, and paid plans begins as low as $15 per month. Student and educator get additional discounts. Whether you are a solo creator or part of a large studio, Meshy adapts to your workflows and budget. The real power of Meshy is in what it unlocks: time, creative freedom, and limitless possibilities. Traditional 3D modeling often takes hours, days, or even weeks. Mesh is condensed this into minutes. This changes everything. It transforms pipeline, accelerates projects, and opens creative possibilities previously limited by skills and resources. This is why Mesh is not just an AI tool, it's a creative partner for the future. From indie developers building immersive games to educators teaching design, from product innovators prototyping new concepts to artists creating surreal worlds, Meshy is enabling creators to turn imagination into reality. It empowers everyone everywhere to produce professional grade 3D assets without specializing skills. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's accessible. For creators looking to break boundaries, for studios aiming to skills, for education shaping the next generation, Meshy is the future of 3D modeling. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.